Hello, my name is Ben O'Gork and I'm going to cook Paneer Bhurji.
Bhurji. This is a vegetarian recipe.
I can't cook. I'm starting a new hobby. I had to buy all these ingredients for ginger garlic paste. I don't know why this thing is so huge. It was $14. I was thinking it would be like this big, like a Gerber baby food. Paneer, this Indian cottage cheese, I could not find it at normal grocery stores, so I did go to a special Indian grocery store. I was the only American in there and like 30 people, which I don't know why, because it was a cool store. But this was $6, and then all this other stuff was like another $4, for the onion and all that. The one ingredient I kind of messed up on. The video shows a green, they call it capsicum, which is just a pepper. I picked up a red one, but I was reading, it said online you could substitute red pepper for green if you have to. So I'm just going to go with it. So ghee. So first of all, there's only trace amounts of lactose. It does contain butyrate, which is a fatty acid that has known anti-inflammatory properties. So I don't know. Ghee, turmeric, a lot of people talk about that in terms of its anti-inflammatory properties. I'm going to try hing by itself. So this is an interesting one from an NPR article. So Europeans gave it the name devil's dung, but it comes from the resin of giant fennel plants that grow wild in Afghanistan and Iran. And some people think that it might help to ward off flatulence and indigestion. So that's cool. Yeah, it's definitely a little pungent. Trying to think, I've tasted something similar before. Tastes almost similar to like a garlic salt. Basically, everything here I have to chop. Tomato, and then this onion. Didn't say what type of onion. It looked like a red onion in the video. So coriander and cilantro are apparently the same thing. When you take the seeds and grind them, they usually call them coriander. But then if they're just leaves, it's typically called cilantro, or maybe also coriander, I guess, depending on where you are. I watched a little video on how to chop. So they said put some paper under the cutting board. See if I can remember this. So cut the top off and then get rid of some of the top layers. I guess they're not as good. Doesn't quite peel off like in the video.
Plenty of room to work with.
Okay, so they're like cutting it in half. Okay, put your hand on the top. Hope I'm not going to the ER. I don't know. Maybe stop right there, huh? Knuckles are a guide. Okay. Dang it, it's supposed to stay on there. And then turn it. Hurts my eyes. All right, you know what? That's good enough. So I definitely need to spend some more time on just some like basic chopping technique. But for now, I'm just going to try to take this idea where you don't cut it all the way through. This isn't working out. Well, anyway, it's not the best, tomato. It's a little, maybe it's off season or something, Man, maybe start this way. Okay, now the last thing I need to do is to crumple this paneer. What, cottage cheese? Sort of, but not really. I mean, the texture is different enough that I don't really think it's like cottage cheese. I gotta crumple it. I'm not watching a YouTube video for how to crumple something, Crumple all I ask, gonna crumple easy. I think I definitely got enough here. All right, it's go time. This pan is heating up. Oil, 1.5 teaspoons. Stick it in the knife. See, I still got a bunch of this stuff in the spoon. Well, I'm just gonna get another teaspoon instead of a teaspoon and a half, It's melting. Okay, cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, look at you guys. Okay, you're in there. Oh, hing, 1/8 teaspoon. That's great that they're all different. Oh, I don't have an eighth. Okay, I don't know. Boom, this stuff's gonna last a long time. Hing in there. It's kind of a lot of onion, There's the garlic ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, a 1/2 teaspoon. Stuff's gonna be good, I think. Cook till soft. I could do that. Okay, so it definitely looks softer, and now it looks like I put the pepper in, the bell pepper. Okay, I turned the heat up. I don't know, it's on like half, and these tomatoes are already soft as can be. So quarter teaspoon has 23, about a quarter of your total sodium intake for the day. See, theirs is a little more green because I got like everything's red in mine, right? So they put the green bell pepper in, makes it look a little prettier. There's a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. I'm not crazy about this bag packaging. You're going in, and a half teaspoon of gram masala. I'm also curious, like, what is this stuff? Wow, that's a much more pleasant. Um, well, I'm not gonna say I didn't like the hang, but this is just like right off the bat, like a pleasing aroma. 1/2 teaspoon coriander. These are the seeds. I got the chili pepper. It's going a quarter. It's time for this crumbled paneer. And then cook 2 minutes. Oh, I forgot the chili peppers. Well, I'm bringing them in now. You can definitely feel them, and the texture starting to change. Okay, let's turn it off. All right, let's try this out. It looks a little darker. I mean, I definitely cooked it longer. I would say the spice is like 7 out of 10. It's pretty spicy. So I guess this is considered a breakfast dish, North Indian breakfast dish, and it does have a little bit of a like scrambled egg type like texture. Gonna put in a few of these leaves. All right, leaves on the top, a little prettier, right? I mean, it definitely has like a little earthier tone with those leaves. If you like these, let me know. Maybe I'll keep making them. Over and out.